So this is the all-new 2022 Chevrolet Equinox RS in Mosaic Black Metallic. If you're looking for an SUV that looks absolutely aggressive and will own the road, this is it. Here you'll see the newly designed front end of the Chevrolet Equinox with that gorgeous honeycomb grille. All black with red accents, red RS badging, black Chevy bow ties. You are not sacrificing any style in this SUV. Once we get inside the vehicle, you'll notice the jet black leather wrapped steering wheel, black leather perforated seats with red stitching all around the vehicle, with features for both safety and convenience, such as the forward collision alert, lane keep assist, Chevy's intellibeam, heated steering wheel, heated seats, 360-degree HD surround vision camera, multiple camera settings, you will not regret the decision to come take this Chevrolet Equinox for a test drive. Chevrolet, find